Oops. Sorry, I was just playing a very interesting game with WizBot. Hey, this is Avni. Welcome to amazing video of WizBot. I know you want to play such games too, right? So in this video, we will learn Picto coding with Junior Blocks. So what is Picto coding? Picto coding is a form of block-based visual coding, where you can drag and drop the blocks like a puzzle. And Junior Blocks is a platform where you can design logic, movements, and creativity, all by snapping different blocks together. And the best part, WizBot can connect wirelessly via Bluetooth, which means you can code WizBot now with your mobile or laptop as well. So before we connect your WizBot, let's get your Junior Blocks set up. Step 1. Download PictoBlox on your Windows, Mac or Linux system from thestempedia.com, or get the Junior Blocks app on Android from Play Store and for iOS from App Store, or use it directly online at PictoBlox.ai. Once installed, open the PictoBlox and click on Junior Blocks over here. If it's your first time, a guided tour will walk you through everything you need. Now just to give you a brief, we have the stage area where the sprite performs actions according to the script. Then we have blocks. These puzzle piece shaped objects have predefined commands that are connected to form a program. And this blank space is the scripting area, where we create coding playlist by connecting the blocks horizontally one after the other. So now time to connect your WizBot. First, let's switch to Picto coding. Make sure you enable Bluetooth on your device. In Junior Blocks, go to the Board tab and select WizBot Maxx. Your WizBot has a unique code over here. Select that from the list. When connected, a buzzer sound like this can be heard from the WizBot. Then once connected, you'll see a WizBot icon appear over here. Let's explore what's inside that. So here, we can toggle between the draw and grid mode. And from here, you can select the blocks for buttons of WizBot and assign some functions. See, like we have blocks for forward step, reverse step, left turn and right turn. It acts as a directional commands. Then we have set LED block with different color options, using which you can make various light combinations as well. Then LED off block, play sound block and stop robot block. Let me show you how it works by drawing a heart with WizBot. If you remember, we had drawn it earlier as well. So let's do it in Picto coding. So first, go to Learn. Click on Examples. Then click on WizBot. Can you see Draw Heart example? Let's click on that. Check out the pre-made sequence to see how it actually works. First, let's get the drawing sheet. And place our WizBot on the initial angle. Then we will insert the sketch pen in pen holder and make sure the tip touches the paper. Then toggle WizBot to draw mode and click on green flag icon to run the code. WizBot draws such a perfect heart. So that's your first creative project with Junior Blocks. Now make sure you have a lot of fun with amazing activities in Junior Blocks and WizBot. I'll see you next time. Till then, happy learning!